Students, welcome to our YouTube channel of APS Academy. Students, today I have come with your reading section, note making. Today I'll discuss about the art of making notes in easier, faster and proper way. Students, today we'll first know about note making. Note making, students, is a way of recording important details from the source. This source can be of any book, article, meeting, any oral discussion. In note making, the writer records the essence of the information. This information is a art. It helps us to understand and clarify thinking. Note making is not just about writing down everything you hear or read. It is a process of reviewing, connecting, synthesizing ideas from your lectures or reading. Making notes helps you to stay active, engaged during your lectures, reading, and revision. Be selective and identify key ideas. So, students, note making is the art of being able to extract the relevant ideas while going through the information. So, let us study about and learn about the art of note making. Before that, we'll know about the benefits of note making. Note making is of great importance in exams or in academic writing. It is an organization of main points for future use. It helps in keeping the information handy whenever we require. It helps in collecting and recalling the past events said or heard. It helps a writer to go through bulky documents, and also it helps in understanding a material if the notes are in own words. Now we'll see how to make notes. Students, before making notes, I'd like to give you some suggestions on some important points of how to make this format of note making. The first step is skimming. Skimming is the overall reading of the passage and having a rough idea of the passage. Scanning is taking out the main points from that rough reading and accordingly frame a format of name of making notes. The first thing that we'll write while making notes is title of the topic. Then subheadings, and subheadings should include 3 or 4 subpoints. This way we have to make 3 subheadings and 3 subpoints accordingly, and we should not try to show our here knowledge to write the full sentence. We have to use phrases or only few words over here so that we don't need to write the full sentence. Full sentences should always be written in the summary part, and also we have to make the abbreviation box. Abbreviation box is very much essential because you have to write the short forms of the terms you have used in note making and show it in the full form in abbreviation box, and here you don't have to use more than 4 or 5. Though, what is the procedure of note making? First of all, you have to read the passage just as I had told you about skimming and scanning. Then you have to underline the important sentences. It helps to make headings and subheadings. Then make a rough note first so as to get an idea. Organize them in logical order and use the appropriate note making format. Do not change the idea or the message of the passage. And these are the most important points for making note making. Don't use full sentences, long sentences as heading or title. Only give the points. Okay, never lose the main idea of the passage. Ignore information which is not important. Be brief, clear, and specific to the point. Use logical sequencing. Proper indentation should be there. What is indentation? 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. These are the sequence that you have to use over here. No spaces have to be left to avoid confusion. Do not include your own version or understandings. Use abbreviations, at least 3 or 4. Make your own note more memorable by adding colors, drawings, and symbols. You can make it. It is not so important. The format here I have given you in a box, split page format. diagram pattern, mind map, outline format, questions and prompt. These are all visual note making formats that you have to keep in mind while making notes. What is the marking scheme for note making? It comes of 8 marks in your examination. For title you will be getting 1 marks, content 2 marks, and for abbreviations 1 marks, and for the summary you'll get 4 marks, content 2 marks, and expression 2, that is total 8 marks. Here are some of the abbreviations that I have given you, that how you will use, e.g. as examples, prop, properties, etc. These are the indentations and the abbreviations for note making. There are few more that I am showing you, so that if you are confused how to make the abbreviations, it will help you. This is a passage that I am giving you for making notes. This is the solved example. Here you can see in the previous slide, here you can see the note making is written temples of Somnathpur. This is the title, and these are the headings and subheadings. Temple the beauty and vitality, this is heading, and detailed sculpture covering walls, and let's see, indentation 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. These are the subheadings. At least 3 or 4 subheadings you have to give in each and every heading, and altogether you have to give here 2 or 3 or 4 heading or subheadings. Okay students, here at the last we have to write the summary. Summary can be written as 6 or 7 lines or 10 lines, and you should not show your talent over here also, so that you don't have to copy the whole passage. Just whatever the notes you have made, accordingly you have to write the summary. So students, you can practice your own note making from any of the exercises from your book or any other sources. Thank you students.